Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your GatesFX account. Right now we are here in the dashboard, and if you click on dashboard and do accounts overview, there is no way how we can delete our account immediately right here in our own dashboard, or when we go to our account information, there's no way how we can delete our account. So what we're gonna do now is we go on the left to profile, and then we select here on help desk, and then we click on add new ticket, and then right now we do the category accounts, and then write down account deletion, and then we write down exactly here what we want. So we tell them that we want to close our account because we are not active anymore, and then after that we can also add right here a nice image or file what you want. Then you click right here on submit, and then after that you created a ticket and GatesFX will help you out with that problem. So this is the only way how you can delete your account. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.